What is Gucci, my fam? Today I am going to be showing you my flint and steel set I have. Now this is a really cool thing because it actually has good quality and it's just good. So I'll show you some sparks. Here, I'll get it up higher so you can see. Okay, there's that, and I am gonna go, and I am gonna be showing you my, and I am going to be showing you me picking a lock. I'll be right back. So guys, here we have the lock picking set. I will open this bad boy. So, in here we have all these, okay? And in the other side, we have this. Okay, so I don't know where the lock is. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is a really hard thing. I'm going to be picking a master lock. So I'll go ahead and get the right things out for it. Okay, so I have the tools we need. Okay, so first I'll be showing you how to pick a lock after I'm done here. So here, see it? One sec. I did this. I've done it before. Trust me. Come on. Got him. Got him. So I will show you guys how to do this. It is simple. It's not that hard. So I'll be showing you guys how to do it. So here guys, we have this little thing. I don't know what it's called exactly, but I'm sure you could look it up. And so for this master lock, you're gonna have this. There's a big end, then there's a small end. So this small end right here that you're seeing is gonna go into the top. It's gonna be going into the top right here. Wait, where is it? Okay, it goes in there just like that. Oh wait, It goes in there just like that at the top right there. And then you're going to be pushing it from the left here. And then with this one, you're going to put it right. You're going to be pushing this one with your feet. You're going to be pushing this one right here with your finger. And then when you do that, you're going to put this one right beside it. Try and wiggle around with it a little bit. Okay, and you just keep fiddling around with it a little. Let's see if this is bent. Nope. Okay, we're good. Okay, so you take it, kind of fiddle around with it a little bit. Keep going. Takes a couple seconds, trust me. This is not an easy thing to learn at first. So here, never mind. Here we go right here. Okay, now that I have shown you how to do that, just keep fiddling around with it. Well, anyways, we are gonna wrap that up for right now. I have shown you how to do it. I have opened it. I have shown you my flint and steel. So, I will see you guys later. See ya.